take this container here, and then I'm gonna shake this up really good for you. And you're gonna spray a healthy amount of shaving cream into this container, okay? So give it a good spray there, just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and stop. Okay, show our audience back home what we have here in our container, just so you guys can all see that, okay? Beautiful, beautiful. All right, and what's your name? Jacob. I think I saw you climbing up. Anyways, all right, so Jacob's gonna stand right here. You're gonna hold this, okay, in one hand. Take this in the other hand right here. And now you have 10 seconds to get this shaving cream back into this can. Ready? Cheer them on. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And how do we do? All right, not bad, not bad. Okay, good effort. Give them a round of applause, guys. You guys take a seat. Beautiful. That's not bad. We've had some students try to break off the lid and it wasn't the best situation. Anyways, that being said, I compare the ways when I do this example, whether it's shaving cream, toothpaste, whatever, that once the shaving cream's out, it's very hard to get back in. It's possible. There's YouTube videos. You can see they depressurize cans. They're able to put it back in. But it would take time and the right technology. In 10 seconds, probably impossible. So I compare that, though, to the negative thoughts that we have about ourselves. Once they're out, it gets very, very messy. It's so hard to, kind of reverse that. Especially as you get older, you always hear people are set in their ways. That's because there's axon and synapse connections in their brains that get tighter and tighter and tighter because they think a certain way. Could be how they think about themselves negatively. And it's hard to reverse that, right? So at a younger age, it's better to start thinking positive, for sure. But if it gets this messy in the first place, we don't want to let this happen at all. And even worse, if this goes on to someone else by how you treat them poorly, you can ask for forgiveness. Maybe they'll say that they accept that. You can try to apologize. But if it gets that crazy and messy in the first place, don't even let it happen, right? We try not to even let this negativity start.